Here we start the post-mortem examination of a case of poisoning. This is a young female who has died because of poisoning with some insecticide. She has ingested some insecticide at home and was declared as brought dead once she reaches the hospital. So here we are giving this midline incision. We are giving this midline incision to open this abdominal cavity. We will take out stomach along with its contents and a portion of liver, portion of spleen and half of each kidney for chemical analysis. We will send it to FSL. So here we are dissecting this abdominal muscles. This is a young female. She's average built. The abdominal fat is not that much significant. Teenage young female. So this is the stomach. We'll take out the stomach. We'll apply the clamps at both the pyloric and gastric end of the stomach. So here we take the stomach along with its contents. There is some milky, the mucosa is severely eroded. Some corrosive has taken. She has ingested some corrosive. So see the mucosa, it's severely eroded. There's a lot of hemorrhagic patches. So she has ingested some corrosive. So the cause of death is quite clear cut in this case. So we'll send this stomach along with its contents to FSL for chemical analysis to establish the nature of poisoning in this case. So we'll take a portion of small intestine along with stomach and its contents. This is a portion of spleen. We'll place in a separate jar. There's lots of bloodshed. So this is left kidney, half of left kidney. This is a portion of liver. Portion of liver. So that's it. We now neatly wipe up the blood and close the body. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I will close the body, close the abdominal cavity, and preserve, seal and label the viscera and send to FSL for chemical analysis to establish the nature of poisoning in this case and to confirm, to establish the cause of death. So thanks for watching. Thank you. That's it for today. Thank you.